Are you getting what you pay for from your network provider?
Of course I am.
Can you prove that you are getting what you pay for, if anyone asked you?
Why would anyone care?
Nobody likes paying for something they are not getting, but more importantly, your customers depend on your services to do their jobs, so they care very much if your network is performing badly.
But I have a service level agreement from my network provider.
Just having a service level agreement does not guarantee that you are getting the service you are paying for.
How could I independently check whether my network provider is meeting the service level agreement we have?
This is where a performance assurance device, such as NetTESTER, is invaluable, constantly measuring actual performance against your service level agreement parameters, and alerting you to any performance loss.
So, tell me more about performance assurance.
Performance assurance means checking you are getting the network that you are paying for. The NetTESTER does this by providing a comprehensive set of tools for performing both out-of-service testing and in-service background monitoring of your local and wide area network connections. It is designed for testing your wide area network Ethernet circuits at speeds up to 10 gigabits, so can be perfectly positioned for testing, monitoring, and impact analysis.
It is easy to install and configure. Why don't you call us now to find out more?